Are you often struggling to find the perfect greeting card or the right words for every special occasion? Do you wish there was an effortless way to create truly personalized wishes and captivating status updates right from your Android device? Introducing the Wishing Status Card Creator, your all-in-one solution for crafting stunning digital greeting cards and engaging social media statuses. This powerful Android application is designed to make every message unforgettable. Dive into an extensive library featuring over 25 diverse categories and themes to suit any event imaginable. Whether you need to celebrate a birthday, an anniversary, various festivals, or simply send good morning and good night wishes, you will find the perfect starting point. Enhance your cards with over 50 mesmerizing particle effects that bring your messages to life. Imagine beautiful hearts, shimmering stars, delicate snow, playful bubbles, or vibrant confetti adding a magical touch to your greetings. Customization is at your fingertips, allowing you to personalize every single detail with ease. Select from a rich collection of predefined greeting messages or compose your own heartfelt text to truly express yourself. Adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to perfectly match your unique style and the sentiment of your message. Even better, utilize your own photos as backgrounds, choosing directly from your device gallery or capturing new images with your camera. Further refine your visuals by applying artistic filters and effects, ensuring each card is a unique masterpiece. The Wishing Status Card Creator features an intuitive material design interface, guaranteeing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. It's built to support Android 14, providing modern compatibility and optimal performance. For those looking to monetize, this robust app includes seamless AdMob integration with banner, interstitial, and native ad support. Additionally, leverage Firebase push notifications to effectively engage and inform your user base. Once perfected, share your beautiful creations instantly across all your favorite social media platforms with just a tap. Stop sending ordinary greetings and start creating extraordinary moments today. Transform your wishes into stunning visual messages with the Wishing Status Card Creator. Get this powerful Android app now and make every sentiment truly special. You can find the direct link to purchase this exceptional solution conveniently placed in the description below.